How to recover hacked Facebook account on PC. For this, in your Google, search for hacked Facebook account and tap on the first suggestion shown. Select the option of recover your account. If you think your Facebook account was hacked, simply tap on the drop icon and tap on get started. So, right here, tap on someone else gained my account. Then tap on no, I can't log in. Then again, tap on no, I don't have access to the phone number. Tap on the following link sent by Facebook. Then do according to the instructions. Enter either of your email address or phone number linked to your account. Then simply go ahead and tap on search. Enter the last password you remember or tap on try another way. From here, you will see some of these options. Choose the option of send code via SMS. Then tap on continue. Then enter the code, send to the number, then tap on continue once again. Now all you have to do is select a new password and then tap on continue. Now tap on log out of other devices, tap on confirm bubble, and just like that, you will get your Facebook password back to you from the hackers. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.